So when I came home from work today, I found a little birdie flopping around in our pool. There he is. Gosh, he looks so good compared to what he did. I scooped him out with the net. He was shivering. He was so cold. Got this little shoebox with some towels. I warmed him up. I patted his little back. I wasn't sure if he had water in him. I didn't know how to do bird CPR. So there's this little cup of water and his blanket because I think he might be pooping. I swear he was almost lifeless. I thought he was going to die. And now there he is, looking at himself in the mirror. Hi, little dude. Hi.